Hey, it's Joseph here. How's your remote working been? It is really interesting how much of a working landscape has changed in the recent days. I always thought the architecture is one of those industries that's going to be really difficult to work away from the office in your home. But after working from home, I have realized it is possible. But however, I do know construction workers cannot really work from home. It has been great since I can just roll out of the bed and then come to my room slash studio slash office to start working. And even though I have a pretty good setup of all the technology and kits that I need to get working, I'm always looking to improve. And recently I have come across a company called iMovR, and they really caught my eye. So I have kind of reached out to them and see how we can collaborate together, and that is how this video came about. So I want to disclose the fact that this video is not sponsored, yet iMovR has provided me free product. So if you find any of the product that I mentioned interesting, then you can go to the web address that I'm about to show you here, or link in the description for you guys to go there. So iMovR makes standing desk, treadmill desk, and related ergonomic accessories. As to the standing desk, they have a lot of choices. I mean, a lot. I think they have more models than any other manufacturer that I have come across. Different types of legs, variable heights, capable loads, stability, different sizes, shapes, and types of desktops ranging from quality 3D laminates to real hardwoods, and actually they boast healthcare grade 3D laminates, which is the one I have right here. You can rub alcohol on the surface to clean, and the color will not fade even after prolonged use. In my case, I'm just wiping down since it has collected some dust. In this day and age, staying hygienic is quite important, isn't it? Keeping our home and work environment clean is a growing concern nowadays everywhere really, and this cleanable surface is allowing you to do that without worrying about damaging your furniture or your desk. And because I'm an architectural designer, it comes quite regularly to me where I am specifying certain type of furnitures to my clients, and we would only specify type of product that we really understand and trust of. So it was important to know that this piece of furniture is something that I can specify to my client and satisfy their needs as well. All of their desks are made in US, and this allows them to have higher quality control and quick production time. They'll produce their desk on demand within a week, even for large commercial projects, which is quite impressive. You can expect quality and durability. I can attest to that since I have this desk right in front of me. This desk is built to last a lot longer than other cheaper alternatives that are available on Amazon and other websites. I was surprised to hear that they offer 5-year warranty on the desktops and 10-year warranty on the rest of the parts of the desk. So it seems that I can confidently specify this desk on my next project. I also have been made aware that they offer free consulting service for you to pick the right one for your large projects. Anyways, in an effort to choose a right desk for my setup, I have gone to their website and did my own research of choosing the right product. For me, I knew I needed something simple. I went with the Lite and Shark Gray desktop. There was an option to choose a patent built-in keyboard tray inside of your desk that was actually called Steady Type, and that allows you to have neutral ergonomics whenever you're typing, but I needed a flat surface for my review videos and unboxing where I do stuff on here instead of a little cutout that is angled. And because I'm going to be mounting a lot of gears onto this desk, I needed to make sure it is both sturdy and supporting a lot of weight. For example, this monitor is mounted onto the desk, that monitor is mounted onto the desk, and also this microphone is mounted onto the desk. There's a lot of stuff that is mounted onto this desk. In fact, this light is also mounted. I needed to make sure all of that is supported and this desk can actually function that way too. Speaking of functional, let me show you. So here is a little lever that I can use, and it goes down. Obviously my finger is not lifting up the entire thing, it is just motorized to lift up. And I need to be careful that top of the light is not hitting the ceiling, otherwise will just keep going up because this goes up quite far. And in fact, if I start moving and there are some notches or my favorite spot where I can just go down and it'll pause for a bit, and I just stop there because I have saved that as my favorite height. So this is my perfect standing height where I can comfortably type and do my stuff. And if I need to go down lower when I'm trying to sit down, then I can just press this button or the lever longer period of time. Notice how there was a little pause there, and that's because that is my favorite spot for sitting down. You're a little bit low right now. And since I lowered the desk, it is quite uncomfortable to talk this way, so let me push it back up. I think that's better. Even though this desk is a lighter version Lander Lite, it can still support up to 225 pounds, so I went with it. And as you have seen it seems to deliver that. It can support, and going up and down is not a problem at all. And actually I had my son sit on it, but it can still go up and down. And speaking of my son, he actually enjoyed building this desk with me. Actually my daughter too, but it was quite short for them. With my son and daughter's help, I was able to put together this desk within 30 minutes. And you can probably do it a lot quicker if your son isn't constantly trying to undo the things that you just have done it. iMovR says the average assembly time is about 8 minutes even without any tools. And I think this is an incredibly strong point for them, as you can just order the furniture and you don't have to rely on professional service to install the furnitures for you on site. When the employee shows up, they can just install the desk themselves even without any prior knowledge. Being able to stand and sit and switch around during the day has given me a lot of health benefits. My back is actually feeling a lot better. And by the way, the lever that I have shown it to you, it actually has Bluetooth function too, so you can connect to your smartphones if you wish to. And there's actually 3 different buttons that you have on here. First one is a reminder button, and the second one is Bluetooth, and then the third one is your favorite position button. You can save up to 2 different positions. The lower is the sitting down and the higher is standing up. And actually on my phone I can go to the app which states Lite or Lite, I don't know how you call that, but there's an app which I can go to control, and then it is going to show you the controls of the desk. So if I actually press that button, it starts going up, whereas if I just press that button, it starts coming down. And actually I can have these favorite positions, and then I can just press that and it's just gonna start moving. So if I press that button, it's just gonna start coming down, which is quite a convenient feature for you if you wish to control your desk with your phone. However, I have a lever there and I have no problem just using that instead. They also sell other accessories such as CPU holder, anti-fatigue mat, and monitor arms, and even an under-desk treadmill. I don't think I need a treadmill, but I got myself the anti-fatigue mat, which turned out to be a game changer. I don't know how these things are made, but they are amazing. It definitely makes standing so much easier. So you can actually see my computer here. It is just suspending off the desk, and all the cabling is managed under the desk, although this is probably not the most presentable side of the desk, but at least the top of the desk is all clean, and this side is where it all gets managed and goes up and down together. Here's one scenario that I have thought of. Since many of the offices are looking to slim down their offices and have people work from home, which to save their overhead, they can simply send these desks to the employee's home, and the employees wouldn't have problem assembling these desks because it is so easy. And perhaps even allow the employees to pick and choose a color and the size of the desk that's gonna fit in their environment, and then they'll be extra happy. And if the things kind of change around, if they're needing to go back to the office and work from there, then they can just disassemble this desk quickly and then reassemble it there. Anyways, I'll leave a affiliated link below. It would be a huge help if you make a purchase through that link. And also, if you're planning to use iMovR Desk for your next project, do give them a call and let them know that I have sent you their way. If you have enjoyed this content, please like and subscribe to my channel if you want to continue watching these type of contents. And thank you so much for watching as always. I'll see you next time. Bye.